Ahmedabad town of Gujarat. Our team was searching for him and in various parts of Karnataka and various parts of country. Under the leadership of Commissioner of Police, Mysore City, Sri Ramesh Vano, 7-8 teams were formed and they were sent to Kerala State, Telangana State, Maharashtra State. And today morning, few of our team, they chased him to Gujarat, and there he has been apprehended with the help of Gujarat police. So now he is being produced before Ahmedabad court for taking the transit warrant. Once we get the transit warrant, he will be brought to Mysore City. Along with him, one Ramji and Satish. They have been also secured and they are also going to be arrested and they will be produced before the court along with case Manjunath alias Santro Ravi. This person, the case was registered against him in Vijayanagar police station of Mysore City on 2nd of January. But our people, they made best of effort, and after making all the efforts, they have been successful in nabbing him today. So Honorable Chief Minister of Karnataka, Honorable Home Minister of Karnataka and our DG and IGP, all of them, they have appreciated the good work done by Mysore City Police. And I personally congratulate Mysore City Police Commissioner, our SP Ramnagra, Suresh Santosh Babu, then SP Mandya Yatish, SP Raichur Nikhil, DCP Law and Order Mutraju, and IO of the Vijayanagar SCP Shiv Shankar, and all the team members who have been still they are outside. Some people they are in Pune, some people right now they are in Kochi, some people they are in Vadodara, some people they are in Ahmedabad. So I congratulate all the officers and staff who are part of this team, and tomorrow most probably he will be brought to Mysore, and thereafter the legal procedure and the investigation process that will progress.
Who are all arrested?
Already those Ramji, Satish, and of course this case Manjunath alias Santro Ravi, they have been arrested. Already Madhusudan alias Madhu, he has been arrested and he is in judicial custody as of now. So total 4 arrests have been made in this case as of now.